An invoice is a document used to state the amount owed by another party and is used to request payment for goods or services. With SignNow, you can generate, send, and e-sign invoices in just a few clicks. To get started, upload your invoice from your device and click Prepare and Send. Use the SignNow online editor to edit your invoice and add information such as company name, address, phone number, and so on. You can also insert various types of fillable fields, make them required or optional, and adjust their size as needed. Once finished, click Continue to set up your signature invite. Enter your recipient's email address and select an authentication method if additional signer verification is needed. Then select the action to be carried out once the document has been signed. That's it. Your invoice is good to go. SignNow features an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that allows you to send and sign documents on any device. Build multi-step workflows across multiple signers and documents. Eliminate repetitive workflows with reusable templates. Send, negotiate, and track your documents and contracts in real time. Collaborate with team members on shared documents and much more. Give it a try today at SignNow.com.